Well, are you looking for portable speakers that are cheap but also very high quality? Well, this is the video for you. So SonicGo sent me two of their best portable speakers to review. One of them is the SonicGoClipz, which is a speaker that I have reviewed. It's actually a similar speaker. This is just a slightly revised, slightly better version, but overall it's pretty much the same thing. I'm still gonna check it out for you guys. And we got the SonicGo 2 TWS portable speaker with a strong bass. Now this one is brand new. It's got a cool new design, got cool colors, and we'll check it out for you too. So first thing is the SonicGoClipz, which is just, I mean, it feels high quality. I've already reviewed this. It looks similar, it feels similar. The only thing, it comes in new colors, because previously, I think, if I'm not mistaken, it only came in black and white. I could be wrong, but right now there's red, blue, which is this one, black, and also silver. And at the back we got the 45mm 10-watt bass driver, which is just phenomenal for a speaker this size. Now on the top you got your USB port, so you can put a USB driver full of music and play songs from that. There's also an SD card slot, put your music through that mode. And another thing is, it's got a USB Type-C charging port, so that's very handy, very nice. Obviously this speaker has Bluetooth 5.3 for your seamless connection, fast speeds, and minimum latency, so that's very nice. All right, just connected it. So this is the RGB.
Bluetooth is connected.
And it's connected. There you go. Pretty much, it looks the same, feels the same. This is basically the SonicGo one that I previously reviewed. They just changed the name, slight improvements. I think they added the USB Type-C port. I think previously it was a micro one, so they've added the USB Type-C, which is cool. New colors. I'm pretty sure slight improvement in the speaker department, so let's check it out. I mean, for a tiny speaker like this, I'm not sure if the microphone is picking it up properly, because obviously it doesn't do justice from hearing it in person. Right off here. I think it sounds pretty good. I mean, considering how small this thing is, how portable, you can just put it in your pocket, put it in your bag, clip it onto your bag. I mean, do whatever you want. Works fine. So yeah, this is the SonicGoClipz. Still a pretty decent, high quality portable speaker, and very affordable as well. So yeah. So next up is the SonicGo 2. So like I said before, this used to be the SonicGo 1, and they've changed it to SonicGoClipz instead. So this is basically the new version of that, which is pretty sick. So as you can see on the box over here, it comes in red, and it also comes in silver, which is what they've sent me. But this one has a slightly larger driver. So this one has a 52mm driver, so it packs a slight more punch to the bass. That's nice. Overall, it's pretty much the same. It's got Bluetooth 5.3, it's got an FM radio, Bluetooth obviously, and it's got your SD card slots. And I think it also has a USB playback. Yep, it does have a USB playback, just like the Clips, except I think this one sounds a little bit more better. So I kind of like it. Okay, so it's got much more circular design compared to this pod-like look. It's kind of lighter. It's got the same meshwork on the front. So instead of a clip design, this plastic clip, it's got a much more elastic band kind of thing, which I'm not gonna lie, I kind of like it. It feels nice in the hand. Even the quality of the plastic, it feels good. So all your buttons are on the side, as you can see over here. Your plus, your minus, your on and off switcher, mode switcher, and oh, this one, okay, kind of disappointed. It's got a micro USB charge port. That's a bit of a bummer, not gonna lie. So it's got your SD card slot and your USB port. Okay, there you go. Like a little it's got a little LED underneath the on button, which is interesting. So I guess that just shows its connection and which different modes it's on, which is pretty handy. It's very nice. If I had to compare both of these, they kind of sound the same to me. Not gonna lie. But I guess it's got a little bit more punch in the bass. But overall, two great speakers. Do I recommend you getting them? Definitely. They're very, very cheap, by the way. They're both less than $10, like 50 ringgit. Less than that. They're actually lesser than 50 ringgit each. So it's very nice. It's got a nice build. It feels good. They sound great. I mean, they're obviously not going to beat your high-end speakers, but overall, pretty good speakers. So yeah, if you want to get one of these on your own, a link will be in the description. So yeah, that is my review on two of the SonicGo series speakers. Very good speakers. I do recommend you guys checking it out. And yeah, that'll be all for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.